Bullish Arweave cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $40.69 and $76.86 by 2030. Market examiners accept AR could reach $31.65 by 2025. Bearish Arweave market cost expectation for 2023 is $7.23. Arweave presentation. In the developing crypto market, new players are continually coming in, each with their contrasting central, applied premise, and works. These elements, alongside exchanging volume and the market cap, proceed to create their always shifting costs, like R's cost. Exploring through the crypto market to create a wise venture can be troublesome yet conceivable. This requires one's own examination to be continually creating and enhanced by specialized investigation given by specialists. One additionally must be continually checking the current endlessly cost expectations. Checking these cost expectations assists you with bettering comprehend the future direction, assisting you with making a drawn-out cost forecast. To purchase Arweave digital money is a choice one can make subsequent to being completely educated about what the cash is, the manner by which it capabilities, and what are its beginnings. The most effective method to work will be made sense of through a specialized examination of Arweave and its starting points through central investigation. These will likewise incorporate a comprehension of the ongoing exchanging value, the typical figure value, the typical value, the base cost, and the most extreme cost level. What is Arweave? The Arweave network is a decentralized information stockpiling organization. It is a novel blockchain-based stage that empowers super durable, secure, and effective information stockpiling. The local badge of the Arweave network is R. The Arweave network was sent off in 2017. The fundamental point of the Arweave network is to give an extremely durable and restriction-safe information stockpiling stage. The Arweave network depends on blockchain innovation. The information put away on the Arweave network is unchanging and can't be erased. The information put away on the Arweave network is encoded and must be gotten to by the information proprietor. It is developed on top of a fresh out-of-the-box new blockchain design called Blockweave, which gives a state-of-the-art agreement interaction and token monetary model that urges network clients to cooperate to give long-haul information capacity. A safe, versatile, and savvy information capacity choice is presented by the Arweave convention. In June 2020, the Arweave network turned out to be live on the fundamental net. The organization's stockpiling and recovery capabilities require the organization's local token, R. Like Bitcoin, the evidence of work technique is utilized to mine R tokens. Recently made R tokens and a level of the exchange charges connected with the information put away on the organization are given to diggers as remunerations. Arweave principal investigation. Arweave's agreement system depends on verification of work. Nonetheless, dissimilar to Bitcoin, which utilizes energy-escalated mining to get the organization, Arweave utilizes a clever calculation called confirmation of access. This calculation considers excavators to be compensated in view of their stockpiling accessibility and organization network, as opposed to their computational power. This outcomes in an all the more harmless to the ecosystem and maintainable agreement system. The Arweave network is intended to be super durable and unchanging. Information put away on the organization is encoded and spread across numerous hubs. This makes it impervious to oversight and altering. Moreover, information put away on the organization is repeated and supported, guaranteeing that it will stay available regardless of whether parts of the organization go disconnected. The Arweave convention gives many elements that make it an alluring answer for information capacity. First and foremost, it is efficient. Information is put away in a packed organization, which diminishes capacity costs. Furthermore, it is secure. Information is encoded and spread across various hubs, making it alter-safe. At last, it is versatile. The Blockweave information structure empowers the organization to accomplish high throughput and adaptability. Arweave current cost. Arweave is at present worth $9.04 USD. R has moved 0.37% as of now with an exchanging volume of $43,233,254. Arweave is at present positioned 105 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $294,886,797 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Arweave to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Arweave Value Forecast 2023. Arweave, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The R-cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $13.56. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $12.66 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. R is supposed to have a base worth of $10.85. Arweave Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Arweave R cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of R will before long outperform $22.61. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the R's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, R will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $18.08 and a typical exchanging cost of $19.89. Arweave Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $31.65 and R might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. R is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $28.94 and a low of $27.13 in 2025. Arweave Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that Arweave effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the R coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, R will be green in 2026. The R is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $40.69, with a base cost of $36.17 and a typical cost of $37.98. Arweave Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gwatching and specialized examination, we gauge the R cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $47.02 by 2027, with a base cost of $45.21 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, R has a greatest value worth of $49.73. Arweave Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $56.06. On the off chance that R figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $58.78. Neglecting to assemble the help R needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $54.25. Arweave Value Expectation 2029. While R is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $63.30 and a yearly cost close above $67.82 in 2029. Arweave Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Arweave will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $72.34 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $76.86, averaging out at $74.15. Arweave Value Forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken